This is one of the world's most advanced fighter jets. Ooh, so why does it still look old inside?
Fighter jets don't use old technology because they're outdated. They use it because it works. At extreme speeds and forces, simple systems are faster and more reliable.
A physical switch never freezes, never crashes, and can be used without looking.
Modern wars include cyber attacks. Analog systems are harder to hack.
Even the F-35 mixes digital screens with traditional controls. In fighter jets, the best technology isn't the newest, it's the most reliable.